There are several different question types in Lab Advanced. Select Quiz from the left menu to add them to your project. Quiz questions can be added to both fixed and responsive projects. Simply drag and drop from the left menu to add a question. Questions come pre-populated with some example text and images. You can change these settings from the Content toolbar, which appears when you hover over the question. The different question templates, along with the image and background options, create lots of customization options. For example, you can change the question image. Hide the image. Change the background color. Or if you are using a fixed width project, you can set the background to transparent and show the page background behind it. By default, questions have 2 answers. To add new answers, click the plus icon from the toolbar. To remove an answer, hover over it and click the trash icon. The question text, answer text and feedback text are all editable. Simply click within the text areas to make changes. And click away to save. You can use all of the normal text editing toolbar features. Feedback text can be shown by clicking the arrow. This will be displayed to learners once they have selected a response. To set which answers are correct, click the tick or cross icons. These icons will be hidden when your project is published, and the order of the answers will be randomized. Remember, if you want to assess these questions, you will need to change your scoring type in project settings. Check out our video on project settings for more information.